Hi, this is Pavitra Kumar, founder of NPPD and BizVidya. So today's topic is interesting. It's on constipation. और अगर आगे चलो तो it gets into piles. तो ये जो topic है, that is a very common topic in any country, if you know, because of the sedentary lifestyle which we have, because of the food we are intaking, and due to the change in the course of food. पहले क्या होता था, we used to take Indian staple food जिसमें it used to be rich in fruits, vegetables and fiber content, but right now due to our sedentary lifestyle we generally order a lot of food, and that is why मसाला वगैरह बहुत सारा रहता है, and that is why it leads to constipation. इसके बहुत other causes भी होते हैं, but let's talk about the main 3 points which you will be able to cure your constipation or have a greater control over it. ठीक है, so the first point which I want to tell is, if you know about constipation, it is nothing but if you are having difficulty in passing your stool, and that is why the constipation happens. And if you do not give importance to it, if you ignore it for a longer period of time, ये piles को convert हो जाता है, जिसमें you may be having an operation or there are a lot of complications into it. ठीक है, तो the first thing is, do not ever push your stool. Do not do that. So many people have this dilemma and they do not know how to deal with it. तो उससे क्या होता है कि it completely worsens your condition. तो इससे क्या होता है कि when you are not feeling like going, do not go. There are some other solutions which you can take. There are some medicines if you can take for instant relief, or you can take some Ayurvedic solutions also for longer relief, for long-term results. But do not ever push it so much that the condition even worsens. ठीक है, तो ये है पहला point, that is a preventive point, a precaution which you need to take. ठीक है, do not damage your system. That is the first thing. You need to be much more aware about it, and do not damage your system. The second point, which is very common point, is increase your fiber intake. How do you increase your fiber intake? By having a lot of fruits, vegetables in your diet. If you are a non-veg lover who cannot live without non-veg, that's okay. You can take your non-veg dishes, but have a habit of taking salads before the meal. For example, if you are having lunch and dinner, उसके पहले थोड़ा बहुत सैलड, एक बाउल का सैलड you can have it, so that it will have a good amount of fiber, and that will not be very difficult for your stomach to digest, and it will be good for you to pass the stool. ठीक है, तो इससे क्या होता है कि आपको actually salad which we have, you should have a habit of having it on a daily basis. That is very good for your health. If you are not able to have it daily, at least when you are having the food which is more of masala wala food, या फिर non-veg wala food, या फिर if you think the food is more protein rich, because protein rich food actually causes constipation. It is not directly related, but yeah, that happens. And that is where if you are seeing that you are having a lot of pulses, if you are having a lot of non-veg food, then you should have a bowl of salad before you have that meal. Okay, the third point, which is the most crucial point and जिसमें people get confused, is stay hydrated. That is one thing. Hydration से क्या होता है कि your metabolism will be in much better manner, and you will be able to pass the stool, and constipation will be away from you. And the most crucial point, which is having supplements. Supplements से लोग डरते हैं because they think that medicine is better than supplement, but let me tell you guys, supplement is much better than having allopathic medicine, because allopathic medicine में it actually the mechanism of allopathic medicine is completely different, where the main cause is not sorted out, the root cause is not sorted out. They try to suppress the problem. अगर एक action होता है तो they create another reaction, and in that action reaction there is collateral damage to your body. That is where lot of side effects come in. ठीक है, but if you are having supplement will be a pro to your body, where they will that is very suitable. That is actually a natural thing which you can have. ठीक है, instead of having food, you can have supplement also, not instead of having, with food you can have supplements, and that will help you to metabolize, that will help you to give you proper amount of nutrition to complete your nutrition. And in this case you can have fiber supplements. I will not promote any company here, but you can have a lot of companies who are giving fiber supplement. You can have this. Other than that also, for constipation there are some supplements which you can have, so that this is your condition becomes better and you have a proper health condition. Okay, so these are very basic points which I told you. Other than that, it depends on your condition, it can be customized. So if you are really looking out for changing your lifestyle, not only for this constipation, this is just a condition, अगर आपको कुछ हेल्प चाहिए on this, you can mail us out or you can check out our links. You can go for a free consultation also. ठीक है, thank you.